Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we are going to teach you how you can create a custom role and manage these roles in your team projects on Jira. So let us dive right into it. Head over to Jira and select your project here in the left panel. So let me go with this one here for demonstration purposes. Next, access your project settings. You can do that by clicking into these three dots next to your project's name and by clicking into project settings. After that, head over to access here on the left panel, and after this click into manage roles here in the top right corner. Of course guys, you can go with one of the already created roles by Jira, like if I click into that current role here, I may assign the admin role or a member or viewer, but you can create custom roles as previously mentioned by clicking into manage roles here. After that, click into create role here at the bottom of that window, and yeah, start creating your custom role. So let me name it, for example, supervisor or something like that. Describe it. So I'm not being too creative right now, so let me just type in ABC XYZ. And after that, you can, for example, assign permissions and yeah, what your future role will be permitted to do. Like, for example, people in this role can do the following: manage your project issues, add or remove watchers, delete any attachments, delete comments, archive issues. So simply go through that list, guys, and yeah, assign these permissions like that one here. So let me assign, for demonstration purposes, this permission and also this one here, and so on and so forth. And once you're ready, guys, simply click on create here at the bottom, or you can already directly assign this newly created custom role to one of your team project members by clicking into that field here and by entering the given user's or member's name or email address. So click into create here, and that is going to create that role. As you can see, it has been successfully created. You can now delete that role here in that list or close that, and yeah, basically assign that newly created role by clicking into that drop-down menu here, and you will see that custom role here, supervisor, for example. So let me make myself an admin and a supervisor. As you can see, currently I have two roles to fulfill. So that's basically it. That's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.